Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to meditation time, where we take 5 minutes just to devote to us and only us because we're worth it. We give to a lot of people in the world, so it's very important that we make sure we recharge our batteries so we have the power and the gusto and the vigor to get right back out there and do it all over again and be amazing like we always know that we always strive to be. So, I got a question for you. You notice I'm wearing the Hulk shirt today. And of course, meditation is an act that's completely the exact opposite of how the Hulk would behave. But there's a reason I wore this shirt. It's because it reminded me of something. You remember that film? Remember that Hulk film starring Edward Norton, where near the end of the film, you notice he was meditating. He had his watch set, and the watch had like some kind of gauge that let him know if he was going to Hulk out or not. And by the end of the film, you saw Edward Norton's eyes turn green, but he didn't Hulk out. Now fast forward later on into the Avengers films, we meet the Hulk again being played by Mark Ruffalo. Now at this stage of the game, David Banner is able to Hulk out at will and not just under times of stress. I got something, and I made the connection that it was meditation that helped David Banner get to a point where he was Bruce Banner. It was meditation that helped Banner get to a point where he was able to subdue his own inner rage and inner monster, his own inner Hulk, his own anxiety. And that's what we're going to accomplish with our meditation. We're going to learn how to tame all those inner fears, anxieties, racing thoughts, and everything that just makes us feel uncomfortable. All the feelings that we don't want. All the feelings that cause us dis-ease. And we want to use our meditation to create ease from within. So let's begin. Remember to breathe. a really nice, strong, cool breeze just came through. It feels really nice and inviting. I hope your meditation time was nice and inviting too. And I call it meditation time. You can call it whatever you want to call it. You can call it personal time. You can call it by yourself time. You can call it in your zone time. You can call it leave me the hell alone. You can call it whatever you want. But as long as you do it, that's the most important part of all. Once again, I thank you for joining me. Make sure you hit that subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified when the next time it's meditation time. Peace.